Hello, my name is Adrian here at the Benz Shop, and we'll be discussing the cam magnet repair. Basically, let's start taking these sensors off. Yeah, so generally these cam magnets usually leak. These O-rings here like to fail, and they'll cause a leak towards the front of this engine. Can't see the leak anymore because I cleaned it. It's one of the first things that I do as I get in here. And then I replace these seals.
Where would you see the leak at?
The leak is usually up here. Actually, there's a little bit of dirt, but usually what happens is you'll see a leak down here in between these components here, and then you'll see a leak come down to the front of this front cover over here. And then what would happen is over here, it starts to puddle right at the top of this power steering reservoir. It'll puddle in here, and then that's a good indication that these seals for these cam sensors and these cam magnets have failed and have caused an oil leak. So there's two things that would happen when they fail. Either electrically they fail and they create a check engine light, and then you would just need to replace these with the updated part, or the O-ring here, over time they fail and it starts leaking, and then that's what causes the oil leak. So they fail in two ways. It'll either be electrically, where it causes a check engine light to come on in the vehicle, or they'll leak from the seals and it'll just create an oil leak at the front of the engine and getting onto everything else. So this is the old one. Like I've said, what typically leaks is these seals here. These seals will get flat and then they'll cause a leak. So what we do is we replace the entire component, because once these start to leak, then internally they start to electrically fail. So we kill two birds with one stone. By replacing the entire component, we replace the seal, and we also avoid the electrical portion of it where it fails. There's 4 of these in total. There's 2 on the left side, and there's 2 on the right side, and all 4 of them will be getting replaced. Once we replace all 4 of these cam magnets, we'll put it together, and this guy will be able to drive safely on the road from here on out. Yeah, so my name is Adrian, and if you have this issue going on with your vehicle, whether it's leaking oil or you have a check engine light, come on by to the Benz Shop and we'll take care of you.